Hello guys, thank you so much. First of all, thank you for the 1000 subscribers. Thank you for following, sharing with the community and everything. I'm also on the course of learning. There are quite so much we can, I could also learn from you. So I just want to say thank you so much in this journey as I document everything and share with the world. I just thank you. I'm just very, very, very grateful for your follow. So don't forget to hit the like or subscribe. Now today I wanted to show you to buy one of the most reliable proxies. How to can actually buy it. How you can buy using crypto and everything. Some people usually tell me this because majority of my friends who have been having problem with IP roll and they're maybe from Nigeria, the only option would be maybe the bank or PayPal. And since PayPal is quite a hassle, I wanted to actually show you how you can buy a proxy using just crypto. So let me just walk you through everything and all the steps that you need to be taking. So here, the first thing you do, you click on that link that I've shared so that you can get better discounts. There's a link I've shared on this video's description. So after that, you'll end up in such a dashboard. So I'll come here. When I click residential, I'll end up here, and then I'm going to click create new order. We'll end up here. So you can see they're giving proxies differently. So I'm going to choose that. And here, this is what I have. So here you have to check pay as you go. So I want to pay as I go, so because I don't want to be there. But now the trick is they usually have the subscription at 5%, way much cheaper. If I go to pay as you go, it now becomes like, because they want to make most money from you, so that the next time, you might just choose the subscription fee, which is quite cheap. So with this said, I'm going to continue, click continue, and I'm going to be brought here. You can see I do have a couple of options, whether PayPal, all those options, but this time around I don't want to use the banking. I want to use the PayPal option. I want to use the crypto option, so I'll come here and click process order. So let me see the final price. So they're going to give me more of a wallet, like where I will deposit the money, so that the crypto on the end is able to be recognized. So they have quite a couple. So here I can choose which currency I really want. In this case, I'll just go with USDD, and then I'll click continue. So then they will tell me, okay, USDD what? So beep, I'll go with this one, beep. I can also go with TRC, but let me just go with the network is beep, or TRC, which is this, but I'll just go with beep 20. And then I'll be brought here. So they want me to fill up, record to your billing address and everything. So I come here, gmail.com, first name I'll say Wilson, last name Jao, date of birth. When someone buys with crypto, you can't really know who they are, because they could have as well used another wallet. I also think like crypto is super convenient. It's just that maybe people are still integrating to it. So with that said, okay, click here, I confirm, and then I'm going to continue, so that now they can process. So this is the amount I'm going to be paying. They have charged me quite a lot, but this is the amount. The network is BIP20 and everything. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to my dashboard. So I want to see overview. I want to see like an overview of what I have, so that I'm able to use my crypto to buy a proxy. So I want to take a screenshot of this as well. Snap. I want to take a So let me see, because I need to send in one coin. So I have a couple of USDs of which I think it's okay. So that's what I'm going to use to actually deposit. So I'll proceed to withdraw. So when I come here, I'm going to choose the coin. The coin being, so I'll just ignore this. I'll choose the coin being USDD. The network, remember, I had chosen a different network, which is BIP20 Binance Smart Chain. I'll also come here and I'll come here, copy the wallet, come back here, I'll paste it there, and then I have, of course, the amount. Don't ever freestyle the amount off top, like, trying to write 0. Just copy. That's why they have copy, because if you add more or less, then the transaction will be lost. So you have to be very, very keen by dialing the right everything. So when I come here, I can see that this is the amount, 13 point something, and then that's the amount. So I'm going to withdraw now. I'm going to need to select it, Binance Smart Chain. Yes, so I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to click continue. So I'm going to wait for them to actually process the whole thing. So I'm needed to do, I have a two-factor authenticator, and I think this is one of the safest way of also to protect yourself online. So I will come to my authenticator, I'll click there, I'll go to my phone and grab the codes that the codes that will be provided to me. Yeah, so just a minute. So my authenticator app just gave me this code, and the authenticator app is, I was listening to this cybersecurity expert some time back. Once got hacked way back, and I was just looking at the options that one has, so that they can be able. You need a two-factor authenticator. Say, you have an enemy within the circle, and now this person knows your password and everything. They would have to have your phone with them there, and you always have your phone with you. So I don't think it would really I don't think it would really go through. So I'm waiting for the code to be sent. Yeah, so yeah, the 34279, and the whole process, it to be approved just now, and that's how I'd have just bought crypto using, bought the proxy using crypto. So I'll just be waiting here to see, and you can see it has gone through everything. So I will return to the merchant page, and this is where I'll have my proxies and everything. So you can see that's how you can actually buy a proxy using your IP role. For my Nigerian brothers and sisters, or people in the West Africa who are experiencing challenges with PayPal, that is actually how you can do it. Just remember, for you to get really good deals, you can just use my link. There's a link that I've put on the video description. Yeah, and let me know or any challenge that you're going through, so that I can be able to create a video about it. So yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you follow the channel and share with your friends. Have a lovely day, guys.